get the perfect glazed ham, this is what you do. I've got a 3 kilo joint from the cushion cut. It's been soaking in cold water overnight just to remove some of the salt. So the next step then is to place it in a large roomy pot. And we've got some cold water in there. The next step I'm going to do is just pour over some cider. So this is a can of cider. And then just top it up with a little bit of cold water. It's important not to overfill it because it will take then longer to cook. So just slightly above the top of the ham. Just like so. Then we want to put in a few aromats. So it's really nice to put in maybe an onion cloute. This is an onion which is a little bit of bay leaf and it's been studded with a clove. Pop that in on the side. I like to put in star anise, nice aniseed flavour. Works well with the ham. And also if you'd like to put in an orange. So in it goes. So this is a 3 kilo joint, which will take 1 hour and 45 minutes to cook. So now we turn on the heat, we bring it to a boil, and then we turn it down and let it simmer nice and gently until it's cooked. A rule of thumb when cooking the joint, to calculate the cooking time, each kilo takes approximately 35 minutes. Once it's cooked, we'll move on to the next stage of how to glaze the ham. Now that the ham is cooked, the next step is to glaze it. So get a big fork and a spoon and stick it in and make sure you get a nice secure grip and lift out the joint. Be careful. Now I'm just going to remove the twine. And then we want to remove a little bit of the covering. So this is the skin here. I'm just using my blade in under the skin and I'm peeling it off. Watch out, it is hot. It's important not to take too much off. And here's the fun part begins. You want to just score. Don't go too narrow or too close together because you'll end up having to stud it with too many cloves. And get this crisscross pattern. Slice down the opposite angle. So you can see the diamonds beginning to appear. And then you get your cloves and you just stud. Stud the little diamonds. This will take a minute or two, so get someone to help you. Now, that's it. To make the glaze, I'm just going to put on some honey and some brown sugar. So first of all, just drizzle the honey, start at the top, and as it melts, it will roll down the side of the ham. And finish by just use your fingers and just scatter on the soft brown sugar, and you see it'll stick. It sticks to the honey. And pat it on. Try and get everything covered. And that's it. And now I'm going to pop it in the oven. So you've got that beautiful shine because it's been in the oven for 20 minutes at about 190 degrees. There we go, perfect glazed ham.